Careful, you can see them wriggling about, bursting into life. Have little legs on soon. Seen one wriggling about. Where is it? There. See it? Beginnings of life in the pool. See if we can get a closer look. There you go. On tadpole little. Hey. Little frogs soon. Just been potting some onions up on these pods so we can get them going for a second crop. They can stop in here for a couple of months and grow on. So we've got 108 I think or something, whatever them comes to. 5 of them 12s. Steve's just rocked up with this favourite tomato, Sun Gold. So I'm going to pot it up now, put some food in there, a bit of chicken food, and I'm going to make an hole for it. And this is what I'll do when I pot my tomatoes up. A little handful of eggshell. Put it in the bottom of the hole. There you go. Then we'll plant our plant in there. See if I can do it one-handed. No, I can't. I'll pop it in, hang on. Plant that right up to the bottom leaf, the bottom set of leaves. It'll get a good root system then. Deep as you can, up to that bottom, that first set of leaves there. Just give that a good water in there, labelling. That should take off in there now, and when it's took off in there, we'll plant it in there. It's just been bearing more yesterday, some more peas. So, just do it same with that gutter that we emptied the last week. Just filled it with normal compost, patted it down so it's nice and tight. I'm just going to pop them in again, put them on that frame, give them a water. That's the third lot of peas in. Hey, we're back. Bit better this morning, that weather. How was it now? It's about 8:30 I think now. Lovely sky today. Me and Henry. Just been, Henry's been cutting it. I'm a bit incompetent at cutting glass. Michael on his greenhouse, these bits here, these corner bits, because his greenhouse is slightly taller by about 6 inches, I don't know why, but he's got a 6-inch gap there, you know what I mean, so they didn't fit. So what Henry's done out of a full piece, he's just cut over there, across there. So it leaves that 6 inch on the bottom, straight cut up there. So now Michael can put them straight on his, you see what I mean, there you go, it's like that there. Needs that extra piece on there, can you see it? Because his glass only comes up to there, his 2 2-foot pieces. So that's what Henry's building all the way along here. He needs a 6-inch strip on each one. Well, he's only got 4 each side, but I'll show you now. It's easier to show it, yeah. There you go. You see Chris's greenhouse here, the glass goes straight to the top there. Straight to the roof. If you look at Michael's, there, can you see the strip at the top there? 6 inch. And that's what's missing. So obviously at the bottom where his side pieces go, It's got the 6-inch missing at the bottom there, so that's where Henry's just been cutting them triangle ones there, so they fit straight in there for him. And then once we've done 2 of the 6-inch strips, he's going to do the rest tomorrow with 6 more to do. And then that'll be all sealed in then, once he gets his door done. With painting again. Doing a bit more yesterday, and Michael. The Guru's just gone home. He's coming back later, I think. He's only had 20 minutes. I'm just doing me half an hour this morning. I'm going to come back this afternoon. Do me half an hour's watering up because I've nothing to do today. I was going to put them peas in there, but they're not quite ready. Because I've got some more peas off Tony. So I got some off Steve yesterday. And I put Steve's in the back one there. There's just green shaft, pea green shaft or something. I've got all these here. I've just got off Tony. So they're going to go in this here when they go in the ground, this front one. So I'm going to leave them probably till midweek. And then I'll put them in and I'll put the other peas in, and them 2 will be about the same time then. Both fingers, and they can go in the other side. Getting mixed up now with all this. Yeah, so that, the one that's nearly ready, is going the other side of these. So it makes it one long row to here. Yeah. And then the other 2 will go in this side of the net. And we'll do it proper net like that, up to the top. So we'll have all the way around here. Peas, both sides. So that's 11 foot, so that's 22 foot of peas. So we'll have plenty of peas there. I like pea pods, Shirley likes pea pods, Henry likes pea pods, the dogs like pea pods, and the parrot likes pea pods. So that's why I've got 22 foot of them. I got that off Steve yesterday. I potted it up, give it a bit of food. Sun Gold, I think I showed you that yesterday. That's about it this morning. Quick brew up here, and then I'll go and have a sunbathe in the garden with the dogs. Come back about 5 o'clock. These carrots are bouncing off. That soil there is when I was filling that gutter yesterday. I filled it over here, so it just spilled there. Not doing any harm. I'll water them later when I come back. Everything else is okay, I think. Yep, Michael's tomatoes are fine. Belted. Pigeons everywhere. Sights you see when you've not got your gun. Alright, I'll see you later on this afternoon. Adios. Doesn't matter what's going on in the world when you sat up here on your own. Love self-isolation, me. It's underrated. I'm gonna get that arrested for disturbing the peace. Doing then? Oh, I know. Right. It's lovely and quiet here except for that pigeon. Right, I'm going to put this bird up. It's not as bad windy now, so I'm going to whack that up. See you in a bit. There you go. Big bird's back up. Look at that wind pick up. No wind now, it's just been windy. Should keep them pigeons away anyway. Hopefully. Should see that and carry on flying. Like that one's just done. I'll restart elsewhere now. Good. I'll leave that up then. The wind to pick up. Never mind, wind's dropped now. Yeah, a bit of flag down there though. There's no wind there. Little bit of a breeze. That flag's going over there, wasn't it? Rocky's flag. St George's. Oh, hang on, here's the wind. Feel it now behind my head. Come on, give us a flight, bird, before I go home. Come on, you know you want to. Over and about anyway. Keep them pigeons away. See you later, bird.